गांधीजीनि आजैमो सालनो रगै तै कर्म हले क्रस स्कुलनि बेखाते कोरोना बाय जबा वापस कांगो फाइ सामो खनाय तै कर्म साखनाय नगनि डॉक्टर नार्स तै साबस्र खनाय सेबग्रंनो मोमेंट याफरि बरम रखा हले क्रस स्कुल आरो माजेखा 36 शान्ति बाजार विधानसभा एमएलए प्रमोद रियांग तै कर्म हले क्रस स्कुलनि फादर रेंजू जर्ज सिस्टर रीना साखनाय नगनि इनचार्ज प्रशांत देबुरमा निब्रान रियांगनो खबै गुबुन द हले क्रस स्कुलनि बेखाते अबुते सामो काहाम नुगै खास रांजागबायखा साखनाय नगो सामो खलायनाय सेबकताय आमसनि तंखसं लुकुर नाहनै आबो बुसु जति कुबै पुलिस नेमन उलनो साय मानसिनाय
We organize this day as a day to honor the COVID warriors who are protecting the health of the people during this difficult time. This program is organized by the Holy Cross School, Tirkormo, under the banner of Holy Cross Education Foundation. Though the educational activities are curtailed during this pandemic, Holy Cross Education Foundation has done immensely to contribute for the Chief Minister's Relief Fund and also to provide food grains to so many people who are poor of the poorest in this state of Tripura. And today in a special way, we want to honor the doctors and nurses and the staff of this hospital who are working, risking their life to serve the humanity. I rightly say today being the Gandhi Jayanti celebration, wherein we remember Gandhiji, who risked his life, contributed everything for the nation. And same way, the doctors and nurses at this time of this COVID-19 contributing handsomely for the nation's health. So it is fitting for us to honor them in a special way. We wish them good health and we gave them memento and with a ritual. And the day ended with snacks for everyone. And Sri Pramod Riyang MLA was the chief guest for today's function. And I say thank everyone who contributed for the success of this short function, honoring the COVID warriors. Thank you.
종저또 시오 사라 프리티비어 제게 하모하마리 지니 거부르 버게 보이나 해 종제다 사모 종 트라이푸어 나오 트라이푸야 종포사 제야코 아제 종 나오 제 지니 만파 사모제 보이나 메예 para sema thomo boina se me ya para bai para nu bai nu kala ya himo thik tinyo chong joto kpal khamba se chong nu je bo kobi go chong thangle me ya test khe positive me khe corona virus chong create tharo ya ba thangbo thangma ya abomo salo tino chini ro ti kormoni father song brown is team staff bai to ye je tina small token of love je father song chini je doctor nurse rao brang khat waro se to obrang jemon chongno kashmir juddho kargil juddho china juddho rawa chini je foji rao je bang prepared kheye sasoni no sasoni msa sasoni mtino beraye brang desno rokha khyamam brang bodaro thoye kolayo thik abodin kinyo chongno chini je doctor nurse joto je medical staffs as well as joto chini je public bo corona warrior no fight khama boy chunjo tom khailai mo aboni ke small token of love tinbra father song staff of no ha hoito gi besi to yana stay no nai stay in dibono abo meaningful to nai mamke chung father song sanchumo ba to staff sanchumo chunjo to sanchumo ke bose je chungpho chini doctor nurse pura health department ni samo chungpho ba chawo chongpo tonano nangkhri nai aichu horja jebo sadi abono toi se tin timbrang bros program khewo chini Mahatma Gandhi ni achema fo sal abomya tini